sister would have been the one for us.
Yeah.
As cool as it would be to have him come to the house. I think Chewie will be a problem. I think if anything, it would be fine with Lola. We'd be able to get through it, but I think Chewie's a problem. Always fucks my shit up. He does, and I'm sorry. I mean, he's part of the family, I get it, but I could have done without the dog.
It's hard.
He's not my cup of tea when it comes to dogs.
Huh?
But you have to return the dress
Yeah.
once you wore.
No.
You return that one there. What's the item? So what was the one that you returned?
I returned the dress and I had bought her an extra, like, lavender top. And it was like $77.
I got shit to return from Home Depot. And
So it's
I
like-
returned that.
And I don't have a payment. You know what I mean?
Yeah.